Want to give your FaceTime calls a fresh sound? Whether you are in the mood for something totally unique or just want to mix things up, I have got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through 2 easy ways to change your FaceTime ringtone. So, grab your iPhone and let's dive in. Solution 1. Change the ringtone only for FaceTime calls. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down to find the Notifications section. After that, tap on Notifications. Next, scroll down until you see FaceTime listed. Now, tap on it to open the options. Then, scroll down and select Sounds. After that, choose the sound you would like to set specifically for your FaceTime calls. Finally, this ringtone will play only when someone calls you on FaceTime. Solution 2. Change ringtone from sounds and haptics. Open the Settings app again. Then scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. After that, look for the Sounds and Vibration Patterns section and tap on Ringtone. Next, browse through the list of available ringtones and select the one you want to use for FaceTime. Now, keep in mind that once you have selected a ringtone, it will be applied to both regular calls and FaceTime. By following these simple steps, you can easily change the ringtone for FaceTime on your iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for our next video.